Good morning, another day, another soul. So time check, around 9:15 AM. Punta ng Shangri-La Plaza, doon sa La Union's Ferris. Opening day ngayon. So punta na kayong mekot-mekot sa mga insan.
Okay, so guys, miram tayo ng ito kay Ma'am Cheryl ng Rios Furniture for our free shoe cleaning. Ayan, maraming salamat ma'am. Punta lang kayo dito sa Rios Furniture.
Yes. Ayan, hanapin nyo lang si ma'am. Ayan, so dito lang po siya.
Thank you. So, katabing booth natin is yung Monster Plants by Sir Ashley. Ayan. Stig yung negosyo nila kasi napakagandang plants yan.
Si Monster po, nagpo-focus po siya mostly on carnivorous plants like ito, pitcher plant, Venus flytrap. Pinaka-famous kasi sa carnivorous plant is yung Venus flytrap.
Oh,
ito yung nagpo-close kapag may insect na pumasok sa...
What's your name again, sir?
I'm Scott.
Lawrence.
Lawrence?
Yeah.
I wish you luck.
Thank you.
Hey, thank you, sir. Thank
I
you.
really do, because a young man like you, having your own business, it's not an 8-hour day.
Yeah.
It's not a 10-hour day.
It's 24/7.
It's a 12, 14. I know. I used to run a small business myself. You get phone calls.
Yeah, every single day.
Ma'am, sa ulitin po.
Pwede magpalinis?
Pwede po. Akin.
It's really amazing, effective, so I bought two and I bring it to New Zealand. Thank you.
Maganda po yung product, very effective naman.
It's good, outstanding. Yeah, right. I like it. I like the product. Depende sa klase ng stain din. Kasi meron din yung mga stain po na kumapit na sa materials ng so,
Soul Protect, natural sneaker cleaner, #1.
Yo guys, so it's a wrap for today.
Yes.
Pauwi na kami. It's 9 PM and mag-edit pa rin tayo para ma-upload before 10 PM. So ayan, ganyan tayo kasi pag napapanood nyo ngayon na video, kailangan talaga natin same day edit para sa inyo, no? Para
Yes,
makita
guys.
yung journey ng Soul Protect. Alright.
Napakasarap ng araw na to.
Madaming
nangyari.
madaming inquiries.
Yeah.
So maraming salamat sa mga pumunta and sa mga tropa rin natin na bumisita kay Renzo.
Shout out.
Thank you, brother. And
Yes.
ayan, tomorrow is another day, another soul. Alright? Okay, let's go. Bye-bye.